I like working at Dazzle because it has a really open schedule with how much you can work, how little you can work to your liking. Once you get really good at this job, you are able to finish your day quicker as long as you complete all of your tasks in your day-to-day work. It's a really well-paying job in this line of work. I love being able to drive around and see different places in the city and outside the city. It brightens my day being able to get out of the house and go around at this job. I've always really liked what this company stands for and the people that are a part of it. The leaders of the company do really well here. It's a lot of fun. This one is different from that other cleaning company from the fact that we really strive for speed and we try to get things done quickly while still really prioritizing quality. Quality and speed are really good, and that benefits us and the client because we're able to move on to our next cleans faster, able to get out of their hair faster so they can get on with their day. A lot of people work from home, especially after COVID, and it really helps them out, really helps us out, getting opportunities to move on to other cleans and be able to get home quicker, be less tired, more sleep, and do better on the next day of work. My name is Alec, and I am a cleaner here at Dazzle, soon to be a trainer.